Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My next video is all about Ohm's law. If we will study electrical and electronics engineering, Ohm's law is one of the basic law we should learn. This law was named after the German physicist George Simon Ohm. So guys, what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law is based on George Simon Ohm is the relationship between current through a conductor between 2 points, which is directly proportional to the voltage across 2 points and inversely proportional to the resistance across the conductor. Okay guys, what is current? It is the rate of flow of electric charge through a surface or into a controlled volume. In this representation guys, we will show a water flowing in a hose. The rate of water flowing in the hose can be represented as the current. Next guys is the voltage, and by definition, it is the electric potential difference, electric pressure or tension between 2 points. Okay guys, in the water representation, the voltage is like the pressure pushing the water in the hose. So as the pressure increases, the current also increases. Then lastly guys is the resistance, which the measure of the opposition to current flow in electric circuit. So again, in the water representation, the resistance could be the small impurities in the water, like stones, which led into a decrease in current flow. So guys, if there is an increase in impurities, then the flow of water will be reduced. Just like the electric circuit, the higher the resistance, the lower the current. Guys, when it will be represented by a formula, it will be I is equal to E over R. I guys is the current, and the basic unit of current is in ampere with a symbol capital A. Next guys is the voltage, and the unit of voltage is volt with a symbol of capital V. And the last is the resistance, which is measured in ohms and represented by a Greek letter omega. Next guys, I will show you on how to manipulate the formula Ohm's law. When you have to calculate the current, you have to use the base formula, I is equal to E over R. But if you have to calculate the voltage, then just use the first formula, I is equal to E over R. Just multiply the resistance R to the current I, then you will have E is equal to I times R, or V is equal to I times R. Okay guys, next, then if you have to calculate for the resistance guys, just use again the first formula. You just have to interchange resistance R and current I, then you'll have R is equal to E divided by I. Okay, we have now the first formula, I is equal to E over R. Then the second formula, E is equal to I times R. Then the third one, R is equal to E divided by I. You do not have to memorize the three formula guys, just remember the first formula, I is equal to E over R, then learn on how to play with the formula. And also remember guys, as the voltage increases with the resistance constant, then I current also increases. And as the resistance increases with the voltage constant, then I current decreases. Another way guys to familiarize the formula is to remember the Ohm's law triangle. Okay, if you want to solve I, which is the current, then just put your thumb in the letter I, and as you can see, E is over the R. So just write E divided by R. Then if you want to find the voltage E or V, then just put your thumb in the letter E, and as you can see, the letter I and R remain, so it means I times R. Then lastly, if you want to find R, then just put your thumb in the letter R, and as you can see, the letter E and I remain, and then both operator is division, so it means E divided by I. This Ohm's law triangle guys makes you easier to familiarize those three formulas. Next guys, I will give you an example on how to solve a simple circuit using Ohm's law. In this example guys, a 4 ohm resistor is connected with a 12 volt source. So what is the current flowing in the circuit? First guys, what are the given? 4 ohm resistor and a 12 volt battery. To solve the example guys, just use the formula I is equal to E over R. Then just divide the 12 volts divided by 4 ohms. Then you have the result 3 amperes. Next example guys is to find the voltage source where the current flowing and the resistance is given. In this example, a 5 ohm resistor is connected to a voltage source with 2 amperes current flowing through the circuit. So what is the magnitude of the source? Given 5 ohm resistor and 2 ampere current flowing through the circuit. To solve this problem guys, use again the first formula I is equal to E over R. Then manipulate, then we have E is equal to I times R. Using the given guys, 2 amperes multiplied by 5 ohms, then we have 10 volts. The next example guys is you are going to solve the circuit where the given supply is the voltage and the current flowing in the circuit. The voltage source is 3 volts and the current flowing is 1.5 amperes. So you have to find the R resistance. So what will be the resistance of the circuit? Okay guys, I will give you the answer in the description box. I hope you get the correct answer. So guys, I hope you learn again from my video, and again, thanks guys for watching.